morning and welcome to week 7. So for prayer, it'll be nice if you can join the whole school on the whole school prayer at 9 a.m. Brother Pat is usually there. Just click the link and you can pray as a school at 9 a.m. on Zoom. Okay, for spelling, we're going to be looking at the or sound. The or sound or the or phoneme, I should say, uses a variety of graphemes. You have digraphs, you have trigraphs, you have just the one graph as well, the grapheme. So you have or, O-R-E, A-R, A-W, and A-U. So if you go onto the sound waves unit, please look for the horse logo and complete some of the activities. The words are listed, they're not as tricky. Just some words to watch out for that a lot of you do tend to spell incorrectly are words like caught. Okay, so this caught means that somebody threw the ball and I caught it. Okay, so there's other court means like a tennis court, for example. The same with bought. Okay, so if you bought something to a party, then you would use bought. Make sure when you're using the word August, it's a capital. The word astronaut is often spelled incorrectly, so just practice some of these words would be great. Distraught means to be devastated. Enormous is just something really big. If you don't know the meaning of a word, you can look it up or just ask me. Then if you get an opportunity, it will be great if you can find any words on this image here that have the or sound. Okay, it's book week. So this week we're going to just be doing some fun things. If you don't have some of the material or the equipment that are part of the activity, then just compromise or improvise, I should say. You might instead just draw the picture, use something that you have. So don't go out and buy anything. It's all recycled, whatever you've got at home, and it's going to be based on the book. So for each year, book week comes up with a theme. And the theme for this week is old worlds, new worlds, other worlds. It's about creating and living in your imaginative world. Okay, so this is all about endless, wonderful, a world full of possibilities, I should say. That's what we're going to be focusing on, and I've just incorporated some of the books from Book Week. The first book, which is a beautiful book, is called The Unwilling Twin. If you just click onto the clip over here, it will take you to the YouTube video of. Obviously, this is an ad. Wait for the ad to end, and you'll be able to listen to the story. So, watch the story. You do need to have watched the story to be able to do the task. Then, over here, I want you to answer the question: what does the story of Jules and George teach you about friendship? So, just 4 key points there. Now, this is the fun part. If you can't do it, it is okay if you don't have it, but try to find activities from the site that where you would have these particular materials. So it lists here what you would need: a bowl to trace around, plain paper, cardboard, pencil. So you can even use an old cereal box. So have a look through what you would need and follow the steps. After each step, this is what you're going to be creating. So I'll just quickly read over the steps. You have to trace a large bowl onto a piece of paper and then again onto the cardboard. Then step 2, cut out the paper and the cardboard circle. Step 3, fold the paper circle down in the middle, then fold your half circle again. Okay, so you fold it and fold it again. Fold the quarter in half, unfold your circle and show and you should now see 8 equal parts. On each of the eights in pencil, write down a different activity that you enjoy doing with a friend. For example, baking, playing Lego, shooting hoops, or whatever you like to do. So each of them will have, and you can see the example here. So he's got all different ideas that he likes to do with his friends. Then select a different color for each activity. Each of the activity portions on your wheel and decorate each one. Then you're going to draw an arrow and cut it out, and you're going to put it onto your cardboard, glue your paper wheel onto a cardboard circle, and then you're going to poke through so that you're able to spin. And it's about creating different activities, so when you're getting restless during remote learning, you can have 8 different activities that you can just flip the wheel and you'll be able to complete. So if you do make it, can you make sure that you upload the picture as well? I might just send a poplet out when on Monday morning as well so that you can add it. For writing, one of the options is just to retell what's happening in this image here. You can see there's a lot of action. If you listen to the text, you'll be able to know what's happening. Or you can complete these sentences. The unwilling twin is about. The main message of the unwilling twin is I would or would not. So if you can either delete one of the words, you can delete would or would not, depending on what you recommend. I would or would not like to recommend this book because this book does or does not belong on the book week list as. So it's about your preference of the book. Okay.